So that is the end of row 4. And for our next row, we want to decrease from 24 to 20 stitches. We want to give the Flash a little waist so that when we grow his chest, it gives the illusion of it being extra muscly. So to decrease to 20 stitches, we're going to single crochet 4 and then single crochet 2 together, and we're going to do that 4 times. And from now on, we're going to be doing the invisible decrease method. So I'll show you that when we come to it. So single crochet 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then decrease for 5. So to do the invisible decrease method, we're going to take our hook and go under the front loop only of the first stitch. Then go straight round and go up the front loop only of the second stitch. Yarn over and pull through both loops. Yarn over and pull through 2. So that is our first decrease. So that was 5, so single crochet 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, and decrease for 10. And then single crochet 11, 12, 13, 14, and decrease for 15. Single crochet 16, 17, 18, 19, and decrease for 20. So we now have 20 stitches, and we're going to single crochet around twice. So single crochet 20 stitches twice. Okay, so we're now going to do an increase round, and we're going to increase from 20 stitches back to 24. So we're going to single crochet 4 stitches and then do 2 single crochets in the next stitch, and we're going to do that 4 times. So single crochet 1, 2, 3, and 4, and increase in the next stitch for 5 and 6. Single crochet 7, 8, 9, 10, increase in the next stitch for 11 and 12, single crochet 13, 14, 15, 16, and increase in the next stitch for 17 and 18, and then single crochet 19, 20, 21, 22, and increase in the next stitch for 23 and 24. So we're now just going to single crochet around for 24 stitches. And 24. So we now want to increase from 24 stitches to 30, and to do that we're going to single crochet 3 stitches and then do 2 single crochets into the next stitch, and we're going to do that 6 times. So single crochet 1, 2, and 3, and increase in the next stitch for 4 and 5. Single crochet 6, 7, 8, and increase in the next stitch for 9 and 10. Oh, can you hear the kids playing outside? They're playing football, I think, in the street. So we're up to 10. Okay, single crochet 11 and 12 and 13. Increase in the next stitch for 14 and 15. Single crochet 16, 17 and 18. Increase in the next stitch for 19 and 20. Single crochet 21, 22, 23, 20, and increase in the next stitch for 24 and 25. Single crochet 26, 27, 28, and increase in the next stitch for 29 and 30. So we're now going to single crochet around once, so 30 stitches once. And 30. Okay, so for our next row we're going to increase from 30 stitches to 36, and to do that we're going to single crochet 4, then do 2 single crochets into the following stitch, and we're going to do that 6 times. So single crochet 1, 2, 3 and 4, and increase in the next stitch for 5 and 6, single crochet 7 and 8, get some yarn, 9, 10, and increase in the next stitch for 11 and 12, single crochet 13, 14, 15, 16, and increase in the next stitch for 17 and 18, single crochet 19, 20, 21, 22, and increase in the next stitch for 23 and 24, single crochet 25, 26, 27, 28, increase in the next stitch for 29 and 30, single crochet 31, 32, 33, 34, and increase in the last stitch for 35 and 36. So now we're going to single crochet around 4 times. So 36 single crochets 4 times. Just finishing my last couple of stitches on my 4th row. And there we go. Before I do any more, because we're going to start decreasing next, I'm going to pull my loop through, and I'm just going to stuff this space between his legs before it gets any smaller, before it starts to get smaller at the top with the decreases. So you want to make sure that the place where the legs joined is, I'm going to take this ring off, is stuffed well, because otherwise the legs will be dead floppy and you don't want that. You also don't want to overstuff them so that you can see all the stuffing through the crochet stitches. There we go. So just this space here for now. And now we can start our decreases. So we currently have 36 stitches and we want to decrease to 30. So I'm going to single crochet 4 stitches and then single crochet 2 together, and we're going to do that 6 times. So we're going to do that 6 times. So single crochet 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then we're going to decrease for 5, and then single crochet 6, 7, 8, 9 and decrease for 10, single crochet 11, 12, 13, 14 and decrease for 15, single crochet 16, get some yarn, single crochet 16 and 17, 18, 19, decrease for 20, single crochet 21, 22, 23, 24 and decrease for 25, single crochet 26, 27, 28, 29, and decrease for 30. So we now want to decrease to 24 stitches from 30, so I'm going to single crochet 3 stitches and then single crochet 2 stitches together. We're going to do that 6 times. So single crochet 1, 2, 3 and decrease for 4. Do that one again. Single crochet 5, 6, 7 and decrease for 8. Single crochet 9, 10, 11 and decrease for 12. Single crochet 13, 14, 15, decrease for 16, single crochet 17, 18, 19, decrease for 20, single crochet 21, 22, 23 and decrease for 24. And we're now going to decrease from 24 to 18 stitches, so I'm going to single crochet 2 stitches and then single crochet 2 stitches together 6 times. So single crochet 1 and 2, decrease for 3, single crochet 4 and 5, decrease for 6, single crochet 7 and 8, decrease for 9, single crochet 10 and 11, decrease for 12, single crochet 13, 14, decrease for 15, single crochet 16, 17 and decrease for 18. You don't realise how noisy our house is until you try to film, and I can hear the ice machine and the cats coming in and out the cat flap or eating at the bowls, the kids in the road, cars starting. Really is noisy. Okie dokie, so before we go any further than that, I'm going to pull up my loop and I'm going to do another stuff. And now we're training, and I don't know whether you can hear it, but it's absolutely belting down. That will do for now. Put my hook back in. So we now have 18 stitches and I want to decrease to 12, so I'm going to single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2 together, and I'm going to do that 6 times. So single crochet 1 and decrease for 2, single crochet 3, decrease for 4, single crochet 5, decrease for 6, single crochet 7, decrease for 8, single crochet 9, decrease for 10, single crochet 11 and decrease for 12. Okie doke, and we're going to do one last round of decreases, and we're going to go from 12 stitches to 9. So I'm going to single crochet 2 and then single crochet 2 together, and I'm going to do that 3 times. Sorry, sometimes my mouth works faster than my brain. So I'm going to single crochet 1 and 2 and decrease for 3, single crochet 4 and 5, decrease for 6, single crochet 7 and 8 and decrease for 9. And now I can do a slip stitch, chain 1, and I can fasten off the yarn. And if you feel like he needs any more stuffing, the hole is just big enough for you to still get a little bit in. Okay, we're getting there.